Hi, this is another Stitch Fix video. This is number 12 for me. I can't believe I've had that many already. And if you don't know about Stitch Fix, I'm just going to go ahead and link it below. It's a styling service that you control how often you receive one, and it's really fun, easy to receive at home and to return. Doesn't cost you anything to return. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and jump in. You get 5 things. You fill out a profile, and you are assigned a stylist who is going to pick certain things for you. So I'm going to go ahead and dive in. First thing is this really pretty colored blouse. It's got a keyhole opening in the back. Feels like polyester, I think. It's got cap sleeves. And let's see, a little V neck opening here in the front. It's got a scooped back. And what is it called? It is the Carmel keyhole blouse. The next blouse is this pretty navy color, and it's got flutter sleeves. Feels like the same material, feels like it's polyester, and it's got the same shape to it. And this one is the Paper Moon Liana flutter sleeve blouse, and it's $38 as well. Let me check to see what it's made of. I think that it feels like rayon polyester. Let's see. Yeah, it's 100% polyester. And then the next top feels slightly different. It's this pretty wine burgundy color. This one's by 41 Hawthorne. It's the tulip sleeve knit top. And it's got a high neck as well with little sort of cap sleeves. They've got a little detail here. They overlap each other, if you can see that. And then the same sort of closure in the back. These can get kind of tricky for me, honestly. With these fake nails, it's really difficult to put the loop over the button in the back. These are gorgeous colors, I have to say. And then this has a really kind of an interesting detail in the front. Okay, and then the last top is a mix by 41 Hawthorne. It's the Arnold Raglan knit top. This looks very much like something that I could wear in Paris. It's 3/4 length sleeves, navy blue, striped, much softer. I like the feel of this one. This would be nice to throw on with some dark wash jeans and some cute flats. And then the last thing I got is a dress, and it's really pretty. The pattern's really pretty. Let's see, it is an Adorn Cornelia cotton dress, and this is $118. That's a little bit more than I would like to spend on a dress. The color is cobalt, and it's a 2 petite. It's sleeveless. Looks like it's fitted to the waist and then slightly flares out. Cute cut. So I'm going to go ahead and try these on, and we'll see what they look like. All right, this is the Paper Moon flutter sleeve blouse. Love the navy color. Love the fit. Fits me really well. The flutter sleeves are really cute. I had the same issue with fastening the back of the blouse. I can't do it with these nails, so that is an issue for me. This is a nice length. It's an extra small. You can tuck it in or do a half tuck. This, though, seems to me like something you would want to wear more with a skirt, possibly, or some dress slacks, and I don't even own a pair of dress slacks. I do have a couple skirts. This is really comfortable and cute. I think it fits me well, and I'm going to go ahead and try on the next one. All right, this is the Mix by 41 Hawthorne 3/4 length sleeve knit top, and I love this. This is so comfortable. It feels like the coziest, softest t-shirt. It's kind of a thin to mid weight. It's got a band around the arms and then around the bottom, but they're not elasticized, they're just sewn. I think it's super cute, super perfect for Paris, and I have my red flats from a previous Stitch Fix video on with it. That's what my stylist suggested. I love it. It's really comfortable, perfect for slightly cooler weather, so I know I'm for sure going to get this. Okay, here's the tulip sleeve blouse. Fits me really well. Love the beautiful burgundy color. I do love this color. It would look really cute with a black skirt. You can go ahead and tuck it in. It's got these pleats, I think that's what you would call them, and it's a really nice blouse. Oh, I love this dress. It's so cute. I love the cut of it. It fits me really well. I love the little fit and flare on it. The colors are so pretty. It's the perfect length on me. It is a little bit snug underneath the armpits. I can feel it's kind of stiff around them, which is not very comfortable, but I love so much about this. I love the collar here. I think that's a really nice detail. It does not have pockets. I think it's really cute. The problem I'm having with it is the price point. It's $118, and I don't think I want to spend that much on a dress. I got a pretty patterned, colorful dress in my last Stitch Fix, and I did order some things from the Nordstrom anniversary sale that are coming in, so I'm a little hesitant to spend that much money, but I do really like this dress. I think it's really, really pretty. So I'll wrap this up and let you know what I think. Okay, so I know for sure I'm going to keep the 3/4 length sleeve striped top. That was super comfortable. I know I'll wear it on vacation. I know I'll grab it this fall and winter. The rest of it, I'm not really sure of. I'm such a casual girl that certain blouses, even if they're short sleeve and they're a little fussy, I just kind of struggle with. The dress, even though it was super cute, I am also receiving things from the Nordstrom anniversary sale, so I have to be really careful not to overbuy and just fill my closet with lots of things. So I'm going to be kind of picky. Let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you soon.